Forever memory, yes.
So they said, Mary, this is actually, their first
this tradition
responsibility.
Together.
Yes. Siyempre, mauuna si Ma'am Eris. Yan ang kanyang unang responsibility.
Yes.
Kay Sir Tony.
Yung cutting of the cake, na dalawa yung kamay nila, hand in hand, and they are doing it together. Oh, wow.
The two hands moving as one with one purpose symbolizes that the two will work in unity to reach common goals, tama ka, Mary, for their shared future and their life together as one.
That's right.
And also, Mary, the sharing of this food symbolizes the couple's willingness to fulfill each other's needs, creating a bond so simple and yet so strong.
Oh, diba? So sweet. Akalain mo, yung cutting of the cake ay may ganoong ibig sabihin.
You know, we Filipinos love traditions.
That's right.
Kaya naman, di ba yung ating family values talaga pang mapagmamalaki natin yan.
True. And dahil nakat na nila yung cake, you know what, dito naman, sa pagsubo nila ng cake sa isa't isa is like showing how much you love each other.
And they said, okay, please join us.
Ayan, dito sa gitna.
Mga kaibigan, kakilala yung ating couple, pero they can't invite all
everyone.
of them. Kaya naman, for those na part talaga ng guest list for tonight's celebration is
special
talaga kayo. So,
napili kayo na makasama
to witness
ngayong gabi.
This milestone in their life.
Sabi ko this momentous moment. Gusto mo yun?
Diba? Very yun.
Very momentable.
So, yung superlative na yun. Anyway, ayan, for those who are here, just sit back, relax, and syempre, I think our couple
is having a photo shoot over there sa garden. Kanina prutas. Mas dalian natin, back to basic tayo. Magbigay tayo ng mga colors. Red. Pink. Orange. Purple. Pink. Ha? Nabanggit na yung pink! Nabanggit na!
Ay! Bakit naman? Ay, gusto ko yung
Out na siya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, it's a 3 on 3.
3 on 3.
3 on 3, okay.
Okay.
This time, ito. Okay. Since, ano yung sa'yo?
Colors.
Colors. Sa akin naman, kanina, prutas.
Yes.
This time,